has been an AirCare customer for a while now. He has taken care of inside the house with AirCare's permanent air filters and has germ control with the UVC Max 25 whole house purifier. But what about his outside air unit? Your outside air unit needs protection from dirt and particles that can cause problems. At AirCare, we have the perfect solution for Bill, our Kool-Wrap outside AC filter. Kool-Wrap envelops your outside air unit with a thin wall of protection. This, in turn, prolongs the life of the unit. Best of all, it's very easy to install. First, measure the height of the AC unit, and then the circumference. Next, use a pair of scissors. Cut your new filter to the size of your unit. Place the 3 supplied magnets on one corner. Then wrap your new filter around the air conditioner, securing it with the magnets. With AirCare's CEF cleaning spray and garden hose, clean your new filter once each season. You now have an extra layer of protection for your outside AC unit. To order your Kool-Wrap, visit acfilter.com today.